Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the Sony earbuds wf-c500, okay? It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how I can do it. So, turning off your Sony earbuds wf-c500 is basically as simple as just putting them into the case, okay? Once I put them in the case, both of the headphones, and they start charging, as you can see over here, and I go to the Bluetooth settings, you're going to find the wf-c500 is not connected. But there's actually multiple different ways also we can do, which is basically keep holding the power button when it's connected, of course. Keep holding the power button until it tells you that we've come successfully the headphones are going to turn off. Or the simplest way that I find, actually, is that if you go onto the headphones app that you set it up, okay, and then as you can see over here, you're going to find the power off button on the top right corner. You're going to click on it, and you're going to see turn power off of the headphones. You're going to click on OK, and as you can see, I've successfully disconnected the headphones, and they're actually turned off. So put them back into the case, okay, and now you've successfully turned off your Sony wf-c500s. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you